the sea, under the sea, darling.
Coral reefs are often called the rainforest of the sea. They grow best in warm, clear, sunny weather. 90% of the world's coral reefs are found in the Indo-West Pacific region, which consists of mostly shallow tropical water. They're also found in temperatures between 21 and 29 degrees Celsius. Reefs have a high biodiversity and over 100,000 marine species in each phylum.
Coral reefs are located in tropical oceans near the equator. The largest coral reef is the Great Barrier Reef off the coast of Australia. Coral reefs occupy less than 0.1% of the world's oceans, and in total, they occupy about as much space as half the size of France.
Plant species in coral reefs include seaweed, or macroscopic marine algae. The main types are red algae, brown algae, and green algae. Algae have special photosynthetic pigments to optimally extract sunlight. They produce calcium carbonate, which helps create the coral reefs. The algae have different types of photosynthesis pigments depending on water depth, which will make gathering energy more efficient. Seagrasses are angiosperms, which are flowering plants, so they can colonize the sea quickly. They serve as habitats for fish, marine reptiles, sea mammals, and invertebrates. Microscopic reef algae is the primary producer in coral reef ecosystems. It's one of the largest biomasses in the coral reef biome. Animal species in coral reefs include sea turtles, which primarily feed on seagrasses, and the three most common species in coral reefs are the hawkbill turtle, the green sea turtle, and the flatback turtle. Invertebrates are diverse and plentiful. They're the primary builders, so they're structurally important. An example are sponges, which feed on tiny food particles. There are the vase sponge, the tube sponge, and the encrusting sponge, and those are the three main structures. Crustaceans include shrimp, lobsters, and crabs. They can be scavengers, predators, or omnivores. They can clean the reef or be preyed upon by coral reef fish. Human impact on coral reefs include oil spills and pollution, which poison the water. Humans creating boat channels through coral reefs also destroys the habitat. Fishing methods with anchors and propellers can also destroy reefs. Tourists that snorkel and dive can touch and destroy habitat and animals, as well as keep elements as souvenirs, and the reefs are quicker to destroy than it takes to regrow them. Climate change can affect coral reefs, and that increased water temperatures can cause coral bleaching. The corals lose their color, and they can become susceptible to disease and lose food from their tissues. Increased carbon dioxide in the ocean caused by burning fossil fuels causes the pH of the ocean to decrease. Therefore, ocean acidification causes corals to dissolve and reefs to be destroyed.
It's somebody else's day. You dream about going up there, but that is a big mistake. Just look at the world around you, right here on the ocean floor.